Beware of the person who keeps praising you all the time, because such person is very dangerous. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Happiness is not the absence of problems. It's the ability to deal with them. Stop being prisoner of your past. Be the architect of your future. To lead people, follow them. If you want to be successful, you must respect one rule: never lie to yourself. The best way to avoid disappointment is to not expect anything from anyone. Never depend too much on anyone. Everyone changes when they meet new people. We don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges.